Hi all, I'm Anthony Vibin and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the topic called write a function. So let's go in. Let's read the task carefully. It says an extra day is added to the calendar almost every 4 years as February 29, and the day is called the leap day. It corrects the calendar for the fact that our planet takes approximately 365.25 days to orbit the sun. A leap year contains a leap day. So they're trying to say that once in every 4 years there is a leap day. So because like every year there are 365.25 days, and then the fourth year they add it to be one full day. But in the Gregorian calendar there are three conditions that needs to be satisfied. So one thing to be remembered here is always when there is a word called unless, make sure that all the three conditions are satisfied. Okay, and make it always in the reversal step, that is bottom up approach, I would say. So let's solve this one. So it says that evenly divisible by 400. So the three conditions is the year can be evenly divided by 4. Say the year is 2000, it should be divided by 4, then it is called a leap year. The year can be evenly divided by 100, it is not a leap year. The year is also evenly divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So we have two conditions which says it is going to be a leap year, and we have the third condition which says it is going to be a not a leap year. So the tip here is we can inverse this. They say if it is evenly divisible, then it's going to be a non-leap year. So let's see how we write the code for this. Apart from this, let's also read what they have given. Given a year, determine whether it is a leap year. If it is a leap year, written the Boolean true, otherwise written false. So the input is going to be the year divided by all these conditions should be satisfied, and the output is going to be a Boolean value, which is going to be a true or false. Okay, so I think you would have understood the question by now. The input is going to be the year, and you have to divide it by the certain conditions, and you have to return the value to be true or false. So let's write the logic here. We can see that the whole question is about write a function. So we are getting, let's expand this, and we see that there is a function and the year is also present. So inside this function we write our logic. So by default there is already false statement given, so our aim is to predict which is going to be true. Okay, so we see that there are three conditions and write in a reversal way, the bottom up approach. Okay, we can write it to be if the input we have is year, percentage, 400 equal to 0. So we say that evenly it is divisible by 400, it is going to be true. So for true, what we would do is we would pass the statement called leap is equal to true. And the other condition was elif percentage of 4. You can see that if it is divisible by 4, equal to 0. And so I already told you that whenever there is a word called unless, make sure all this logic together satisfies. And what is the next thing is year can be evenly divided by 100. So year, if evenly divided by 100, then they say it to be not a leap year. So we can write a logic in this way. Now, when you put not equal to 0, it is the reverse of it, right? So if this satisfies, we would give leap is equal to true. And we can see that we can return the leap value here. And let's try to run code. Hopefully it comes right. Yes, it did work. And let's try to submit this. There are 5 test cases, 6 test cases. Let's see if everything gets successfully gets completed. Yes, it is a success. So we understood that how a function works and how to write this logic based on this word called unless. So all three conditions are satisfied and all the test scenarios have passed. Let's go to the next video.